Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another Launch and Learn with Product Management. This afternoon we have Steven, Jason, Cliff, Sharon, Brian, and myself, Lee. And Jason is going to be presenting our new category attributes. Take it away, Jason.
The next step of what we did, and this is new functionality in this release, is we've created a category attribute. And category attributes function the same way, just at a different level, at the category level. So you can have a default category attribute that's applied to every category. Or now you can see on the edit category page, we have a category offer merge code. And this is a really great usage scenario. This is a category offer, and we've got some HTML and some JavaScript pasted in here. And if you want to see the whole thing, you can always expand it. And what this does when rendered on the page is it actually creates, on the category level, a dynamic product offer. So this is a product offer that we've set up on the appliance category, which gives you a free knife set when you buy the range. And all you have to do, and this could be an image, this could be a header, but the point being that it can be dynamically different, unique to each and every category, and pretty easily. So the way this product offer works is once the product offer was created, if the user clicks that, it actually adds the self-cleaning range and the free knife set right to the cart for them. So that's from a couple of releases ago, we implemented product offers into the store packages. And that's a pretty cool use example. And then as you can see, on cookware, it's a completely different product offer. So again, you'll be able to do dynamic header images if we wanted to do, other than the category image itself. You know, the system has a category image. If you want to do dynamic header images, any dynamic, unique level content that you want to do for each category. So you now have the same flexibility, and this will also, just like product attributes, HTML and JavaScript, it'll render both in the category templates. Navigate to your category template, and in the merge code view, the merge code menu, you'll see category attributes, and they'll be at the bottom. And with category attributes, again, there's a few ways to manage the data. One is, of course, to change it on the actual category itself by navigating to that category page, but it's also been added to the category import and export. So you'll be able to change values on the individual category level using the attributes, for the attributes, using the import and export as well.
And one thing I really liked about this feature as well, a lot of stores do tend to have cycling sales, so they will have sales that are maybe only available for a particular season or only available for a few weeks, and then they go away, but then they'll come back later in the year again. So rather than going in and changing the templates and the category setup to add these and remove them whenever it's relevant, they can just put the relevant sale into the field, it will populate, and then when the sale is no longer applicable, they can take it out. They can even leave the products in that were on a sale price but hidden, which is how we've done it here. So they don't really have to delete anything. They're just removing the value from the attribute field, and it no longer shows up until the next time that they have a sale and they want to put it back in again.
Right. It makes changes really simple. It makes changes really simple for the inexperienced, do-it-yourself user once it's been set up. But it's also pretty intuitive, and I think something like figuring out how to add a manufacturer logo or a custom image, even if they just wanted to add a field that we don't normally provide, maybe manufacturer part number or something to the page, that's very, very simple and intuitive for a user to do on their own. And the maintenance of that data then becomes less risky because they don't have to modify the templates. That in itself is a big win. And then Lee, as you were saying, each individual category, it could be, if this category were General Electric or Frigidaire, there could be they could do a complete HTML ad for listing a manufacturer coupon and put it into a category attribute, and it would only show on, the Frigidaire category.
Yeah, and one thing I wanted to mention is that it's actually the same attribute being used across all four categories. It's just called category offer, and then it's just different contents contained
exactly.
in each one.
Exactly. This is a completely different product offer that you've done here and in dinnerware as well. So yeah, actually, being able to use HTML and JavaScript in there means you can basically do quite a bit of things, quite a bit of unique stuff. Linking images to product offers is a great example. Displaying coupon codes if you wanted to show coupon codes. So really, the sky's the limit here for what it should allow DIFM and customization teams. We could spend probably an hour just going through some of the cool stuff I've seen done with product attributes. So I can't wait to see how they take advantage of this.
Yep.